Today guys, I'm gonna be changing the oil on my 2-liter turbo Jetta. It's the FSI motor. And all you'll need for this is a 19mm socket and a wrench. This one, the teeth don't go any wider, so we have to use the pliers. So bolt you're loosening is just that one right there. That one's gonna be with the 19mm socket. She was tight on there. So make sure it doesn't get on the GoPro. Get ready. Usually before you want to put the nut back in, you should clean it off, make sure it's nice and clean, no sand or anything else on it, just like that. Okay, once the oil slows down, you can clean it up a little bit, the area, and put the nut back in. Whatever oil you have left over, I like to dump it into an empty one. After that, recycle it in an appropriate place. We'll wipe it up. So this is counter?
Yes.
Okay. I get it loose like that. Let go of it. You're gonna want to unscrew this. This button might get a little messy, so careful. The GoPro. There you go. After that, you want to remove this guy. That's the old filter, and you'd like to remove the old ring that's in here, like that. Should come right out. Should come right out. There you go. That's garbage. And afterwards, you're gonna want to put the new one that comes with your filter. So when you open this up, there's a brand new filter that comes with a new O-ring. You're gonna make sure you replace that. And that just goes on like so. Make sure it's nice and seated. Just go around with your fingers. After that, I usually just put the old filter in the box and recycle it appropriately. After that, you're gonna want to screw back this guy clockwise. And once it's tight enough by hand, you can switch over to the pliers and make sure it's nice and tight, like so. There you go. After that, you just screw back this cap. These filters should last about 32,000 kilometers. I suggest changing every 30 just to be safe, and always use the full synthetic oil. So the 2-liter turbo takes about 4.6 liters of oil. I usually go for about 4.4 just to be on the safer side, because you can always top up the motor. After that, you want to put the oil cap filter back on and start the motor for a few minutes. Just let the oil circulate. After the car's been sitting on level ground and has been sitting for a while, you can check your dipstick and add more oil if needed.